Hi everybody, welcome to week 8 and module 8. So this is the last new material for the class. Again, you can turn in things until the very last minute. We'll look at that date in just a minute. So module 8 is basically looking at servant leadership. So all of the other characteristics of principal leaders at the Citadel are behaviors that are part of servant leadership. This module is specifically looking at servant leadership, giving you some examples and part of our respect value. So, reading about servant leadership and some discussion here. Which practices of servant leadership are you effective at, and what might you need to develop? So we've already got some people engaged in that discussion. Reading about servant leadership. Here's an assessment that you'll complete before you do the final assignment. And this is just for you. Write a short essay of 400 words about how you aspire to be a principal leader. So this assignment is worth 4 points, whereas the others throughout the session were 2 points. So this is your final assignment. Remember, you must complete the Protection of Minors training and submit certification to be able to complete the class. It's a requirement for all students at the Citadel. Have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions.